Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experience more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how we can use find and edit. If you search for any URL and you want to search on the page, so you can use the shortcut Control plus F. So here I can type the keyword. And we have the next and previous, which I can search for a specific keyword in my page. And we can find the find and edit options. Simple, I can click here, and down there we have find and edit. So here we have find. I can click at that to open find here. And next, what we have here is this cat, which I can use the shortcut just like find Control plus F. We have the Control plus X if we want to cut something. So I'm going to type this text and select that. Click here and click on cut. And if I want to paste that, so under find and edit, so here we have paste, which I can use the shortcut Control plus V. And also with find and edit, here we have the copy, which I can use Control plus C as well, just like that. Make a copy. So here Control V to paste it as much as I want here. So this is how we can use find and edit with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.